Oh man. Oh man. I'm so bored now. I got an idea. Let's watch Tombo Panda. OMG! Tombo has a giant lion mystery egg. I wish I had one. OMG! No, I have a lion egg! Guys, let's open it! Guys, this looks so cool. So many toys. Wow, let's start opening it. But first, let's open this. How about we just open this, guys? It's an airplane. It looks so cool, guys. Look. Guys, now let's open this. Wow, there is so much stuff. But first, let's open the lion mystery figures. Let's see what we got. Wow. Let's see what we got. There's another mystery figure. Let's open it. Let's see what I get. Wow, guys! This looks so cool. Let's open it. Okay, oh, let's pick the squishy. Let's open and see what we have inside. Oh, let's open it now. Let's see what we got. We got Karate Lion. Oh, let's open the goo. Guys, let's open the do now. Let's see what we get. I think we got purely purple. Let's see. Guys, this is so sticky. But it's so gooey, look. Ooh. Look at this, guys. It's so sticky. Guys, now let's open one of the lion plushes. Let's see what we get. It's Blue Titan. Let's see what we get after this. Let's see what it's gonna be. It's a lion in a rocket ship. Look, this is so cool. Guys, now I'll show you a board anymore, guys. Now, because look how much toys I have. Now let's play. Let's see if anybody needs help. Help! Do you need help? Okay. The video, please subscribe, like, and comment down below how you want us to make our video. And please share. And goodbye.